Okay, so solving system of linear equations with two variables using this shortcut method. So we have this system. Now we can solve this system using elimination method, substitution method, and this graphing method. But for this, we're going to solve this one using this crisscross method. Now to apply a crisscross method, so first, focus on this area. Then let's apply this cross multiplication. So multiply this y times 10. So just multiply the numerical coefficient or the number. Now since y has a numerical coefficient 1, so we have now 1 times 10. Then minus this 2 times 15. Then for the denominator, so we have 1 times 1, then minus this 2 times 3. Then simplify, so 1 times 10, that's 10. Then this negative 2 times 15, that's negative 30. Then 1 times 1, and negative 2 times 3, this one is 6. Then this 10 minus 30, that's negative 20. And 1 minus 6, that's negative 5. Then negative 20 and negative 5, that's positive 4. Now, since the first term is x, so therefore, this positive 4 is the value of x. So x is equal to 4. Then to solve for y, so just substitute this value to any of this equation. So I prefer to use this first equation. Then substitute now your x. So that's 3 times 4. And 3 times 4, that's 12. Then to solve for y, so this transpose. So that becomes 15. So this positive 12 becomes negative 12. And 15 minus 12, so y is equal to 3. So this is now the solution of this system. X is 4 and y is 3. Now, what if you want to solve first the value of y? So if you want to solve first the value of y, then you need to rewrite the given. So put y on the first term, this one, y. Then the same process, apply crisscross multiplication. So the same, focus on this area, then multiply, so 3 times 10, minus this 1 times 15. Then for the denominator, so 3 times 2, minus this 1 times 1. Then simplify, so this 3 times 10, that's 1 is 30. Then negative 1 times 15, that's negative 15. 3 times 2, that's 6, and negative 1 times positive 1, that's negative 1. 30 minus 15, this one is 15. Then 6 minus 1, that's 5. 15 divided by 5, the answer is positive 3. Since y is the first term, so therefore y is equal to 3. Then to solve for x, so substitute this value to any of these equations. So I prefer to use this equation. Then substitute this value of y, so y is 3. Then 2 times 3, this one is 6. Then to solve for x, transpose. So x now, that's 10 minus 6, so x is equal to 4. So this is now the solution of the system. X is 4. Y is positive 3. Then for this given, so apply crisscross multiplication. So negative 3 times negative 3. Then minus this 1 times negative 3. Then for the denominator, so that's negative 3 times negative 5. Then minus this 1 times 3. Then simplify, so negative times negative, that's positive 9. Negative times negative, that's positive 3. Negative times negative, positive 15. And negative times positive, that's negative 3. Then this 9 plus 3, that's 12. And this 15 minus 3, also 12. So 12 divided by 12, that's equal to 1. And since x is the first term, so therefore x is equal to 1. Then to solve for y, so substitute this value of x to any of this equation. So I prepare to use this equation. Then substitute this x, so negative 5 times 1. Then this negative 5 times 1, that's negative 5. To solve for y, transpose, so that's y equals negative 3, then plus 5. So negative 3 plus 5, so y is equal to 2. So the solution now of the system, x is 1, y is positive 2. So this is how to solve a system of linear equation using crisscross method.